Good morning, I'm calling this your PHS News Today for Tuesday, February 12th. Attention archery team members. Practice has been canceled for today. From Miss Wishart, Footloose cast will not rehearse today. Try High Y will deliver Valentine's Wednesday to the nursing home. And now it's time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers will email their answers to palemedia.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Tuesday Shoes Day. We'll be playing a song, and you have to tell us whose shoes they are. Post-prom parents will be selling pizza today during lunch. Pizza will be $2 per slice. Already thinking about lunch? Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. And now to Ian with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Colin. Boys JV and varsity basketball team will be playing at home against Scottsburg. JV will start at 6 and varsity will follow. Tonight's theme is pink. Any high school girl interested in joining track needs to stop by room 303 for a schedule. And now back to Colin.
Congratulations to today's winner. The answer was Coach Lowry. The winner was Hobie Bobbitt. I'm Colin, that's your PHS News Today. Have a turn-tastic day.